Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Workshop. I want to do a little shout out to one of our makers in our community. I recently reached out to Bob Lee of Bob Lee's Woodshop, and I asked him if he could make me up some wooden handle blanks for my new wood turning tools that I'm going to make. And he said yes. And today I got 3 of these blanks in the mail from Bob. They're oak with a cherry center in them. And they should make some real pretty handles. So, Bob, thank you very much. All of you, I'll leave a link down below to Bob's channel. Go and check him out. Bob's recently been on the disabled list, but is coming back again strong. So go and check Bob out. Have some fun. You know you will.